Hello and welcome to Bunnex Investment Group. Today we are going to talk about the most overrated thing in the Forex industry, that is flipping small accounts. We are going to review how you can flip $50 to $100,000 in 12 months. Yes, $50 to $100,000 in 12 months. All the types of trades that you enter will also be shown, so make sure you watch till the end. Before we jump into the war video, be sure to check out our free signals Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. The first thing that you need to do is to make a shift in your mind. You are what you think, so it is important to have a positive mindset towards achieving this goal. Do not listen to those who will say it's not achievable. Take positive energy only. Accuracy. Since we are going to require as much accuracy as possible, we will take the ID 50 only, which means the intraday 50 trades only. Only ID 50 trades, I repeat. Let me define the ID 50 first before I show you the type of trade on the charts. ID 50 is a trade taken at the 200 EMA after a peak has locked. The setup at the ID 50 can be a pin, W, or any candlestick. These are to be observed in the M15 timeframe. It should also be on the 200 EMA region. If you do not understand this, please visit our Market Maker Method course after finishing this video. So, this is a snippet of euro against the dollar. So, the only trades that we will be taking will be ID 50 trades. I will define all the indicators that are on this chart. The black one is the 200 EMA. The light blue one is a 50 EMA. Then the red one is a 13 EMA. So I have marked up the charts. That is the first thing that you have to do, because the ID 50 is taken on initiation of level 2 and level 3. So this was level 1 in green, then level 2, level 3. I actually segmented it in the M15 time frame so that you can see that the level is actually complete. So after level 1 completed, level 2 initiated, and it initiated on the 200 EMA, which is our ID 50. So this was the first ID 50 entry, and our confirmation is always candle closure above the 13 EMA. That is where we enter our trade. Then level 2 was completed at this point. Then level 3 initiated again at the 200 EMA, where we got another second ID 50 entry. So trade 1 was going to be here, where I marked with this green line. Then trade 2 was going to be here, where I marked again with the green line. So this was the point where our peak, where our peak locked. What is peak locking? Peak locking is when 13 and 50 cross, meaning that this peak is now an anchor. Price is no longer going to come back again to that peak. And level 1 was seen after completion of level 1. That is where we had our first entry. Then after completion of level 2, we had our second entry, meaning that this trade number 2 was actually a scale in trade. So these are the only trades that we will be taking throughout the challenge of flipping $50 to $100,000 in 12 months. Only these ones, or at level 2 and at level 3, not any other trade. Be disciplined on that. So we will need a compounding way to increase our lot size. So what is compounding? Compounding is the process whereby gains are credited to an existing principal amount. We will start with $50. Our initial size is the smallest one available, which is 0.01. We have a maximum of 50 pips on the stop loss side and a maximum of 100 pips on the target side. Our goal is to get 5 good trades each and every month, or a sum of 500 net pips. Below is the chart of how the compounding will be done. So, on the first month, we are going to use 0.01 and adding 0.01 multiplied by 500 pips, that is our goal, we'll get $50. Adding $50 to our initial $50, that means we'll end that month with $100. In our second month, we'll start with 0.02 and multiplied by 500 pips, our monthly target, we'll get another $100, and adding that $100 to the initial $100, we'll get $200. And as you can see, the game begins to roll like an ice ball. From $100 in the first 6 months, you'll be at 3,200. This is the lot size that you will be trading the whole of the first month, as well as this one, as well as this one. You will trade with one lot size the whole of that month. Do not be tempted to increase or decrease your lot size when doing this. So, in the second 6 months, the ice ball will become bigger and bigger. In the first month of the last 6 months, you will be trading at 0.64 and getting 600 pips, 500 pips, you will earn 3.2, which when added on the previous balance, you will have 6,400. At 9 months, can you see that you are now trading with a standard lot, 2 standard lots at 10 months, 5 standard lots at 11 months. The formula is simple. You are just doubling your lot size in each and every month after you earn 500 pips, and that would reach to 102,000 in the 12th month. How good would that be to you and your life? So, without discipline, you will never be consistent, and without consistency, you will never achieve the goal. So do a lot of meditation. Stick to the only trades we have discussed. They will definitely take you to where I'm telling you. You will definitely achieve what I'm telling you. Just be disciplined. Do not give yourself pressure. I said the whole of the first month you will be trading with just only 0.01. Imagine 0.01. So in conclusion, follow your plan without deviation, distraction, thoughts, or hesitation to act. On that note, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out our free Signals Telegram channel. It will definitely help you. That is the link, and I'm also going to put the link in the description below, so you just check it, join. I post free signals here and there. I post trading tips. I also post new videos to be released that will be helpful to you. Thank you.